Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between TradingView or StockRover. And before starting this comparison video, I want to tell you two things. The first thing is I won't tell you which application is better because both are great. I will tell you which one fits you the best in today's video. The second thing is I made more than 1,500 videos about crypto brokers, futures, settings, options, whatever, and I will tell you with my experiences on both applications which one fits you the best. So let's start right here with the main focus on TradingView, and the main focus right there is charting and technical analysis. If we look to StockRover, it's more a fundamental research and investing application. If we go to the best for, in my opinion is TradingView the best for traders and StockRover the best for long-term investors. If we look to the trading tools, TradingView has an industry-leading chart and StockRover has a deep financial analytics. Then if we look right here to the interface, TradingView is more modern and intuitive and StockRover is more data-heavy and analytical. Then if we look to fees and trading costs, TradingView has a subscription based and StockRover is free plus affordable premium tiers. So if you're asking me a tip, you need to use TradingView if you want to do on charting, timing entries and do technical analysis. And you need to use StockRover if you want to do on stock selection, fundamentals and portfolio tracking. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.